You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this contraction, as well as how to say more confusing vocabulary and slang terms that many mispronounce in English, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Lemme, short for let me. Let me, so sometimes it might be said as let me as well, or let me do this, let me do it, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.